Hey guys, it's your girl Monica Mogad Sales Allen, and I just want to show you how to build your myEcon business in 45 minutes a day, sometimes even less. All right, so we all know, well, maybe we don't know. So let me do a small introduction to yourself. My name is Monica Allen. I've been in the online space now for about a year. My background is in offline sales, so I've been in offline sales in about 15 years now. Decided to really bring my business online because I wanted more time freedom. So one of the main programs that I do promote is myEcon, where I am an EVP Gold. So that means I have a few people under me, quite a few people under me, and have been actively building teams. So what I want to share with you today is how to build your myEcon team in 45 minutes. And if you ever just want a quick reference anything, my website is partnerwithmonica.com. So do me a favor, go ahead and like this video, share this video, and leave me a comment just if you want to give me some feedback and let me know, exactly what you thought of the video. So let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you're staying an individual. You do not want to compare yourself with others. You can never compare your day one with someone else's day 100. It's impossible, guys. You see the people online who say, hey, I have this fast car, I have this big house, but guys, you cannot let that distract you. Just let their results show as your inspiration, okay? In that, make sure that you're celebrating every milestone. I mean, new leads, your first sale, if you learn something new, make sure that you're sharing that with everyone. Your first check, your first direct deposit. Make sure you're sharing that and you're showing those as results, because that's exactly where someone else wants to be. So make sure that you're not forgetting to celebrate, and make sure that you're not comparing yourself to other people. It's definitely not a healthy attitude. So the second part is just a brief overview. By now, I think everyone knows what myEcon is. But myEcon is a financial literacy program that helps individuals through the three core financial strategies, which are minimizing taxes with income shifting and tax write-offs. So what that is how Uncle Sam takes most of your check when you're when you're working a job. So myEcon shows you how to reduce your tax liability through income shifting and tax write-offs. So pretty much like the vacation that I just took was a tax write-off. Some of the cars that I drive, they're tax write-offs. The gas that I use, tax write-offs. When I go to dinner, it's a tax write-off. My utilities, my cell phone, my light bill, all of that, tax write-offs. The computer that I'm using, the iPad that I have, my iPhone, all of that is a tax write-off, okay? myEcon also shows you how to generate business income, so how to make money while you're learning. So while you're learning about these financial principles, you're also learning how to make money, and you will be making money. On top of that, the cherry on top of the sundae is the 750 credit club. So 750 credit score. Guys, if you have a 750 credit score, pretty much you can walk into anywhere and demand anything from anyone without you having a single dollar in your pocket. Cash used to be king, but in this day and time, credit is definitely king, guys. So how do we do this? All right, let's get right down to it. We build lists. The power of growing your myEcon business is in building a list. Well, how do we do this, Monica? We collect emails, collect phone numbers. That's the name of the game. Collect as much data as you can. The more points of contact you have and the more data you have, the more eyes that you can get to your offer. Because remember, it takes people, pretty much 7 to 12 times to see an offer before they decide to buy it, which means we need to be able to show it to them multiple times. And it takes people so many times to buy because a lot of times when we're on Facebook, we're distracted, or, when we're out doing things, we're not really focused on the task at hand. So we need to be able to show our prospects the offer multiple times. So what you can do is you can continue to build trust. You can continue to build a buying relationship, a trusting relationship with your audience. Because in order for your audience to buy from you, they have to know you, like you, and trust you. So they do this through getting that email list, getting that content out, like all the YouTubes, like this video that you're watching, this Facebook Live. This is how my audience knows, likes, and trusts me. The next thing, okay, so in that email, from those points of contact, you want to be able to send your prospects to a funnel. Funnels equal automation, okay? So having a sales funnel is going to create time freedom so that you don't have to walk everyone through the buying process. All right, you don't have to hold their hand through collecting your email. You don't have to call them up and say, hey, what's your email? Even though, do not get me wrong, okay? Offline marketing still works. Your cell phone still works. Do not stray completely away from that. Okay, I just want to make that clear. But anyway, back to this. No sales funnel equals constant work. Constant work equals no time freedom, which is the whole purpose of being an entrepreneur. We want to make sure that we're able to have our time freedom. So we need to have sales funnels that are set up to do the work for us. That way, the only thing we have to do is send the traffic to your funnel. That's it. Send the traffic to your funnel, okay? The more traffic you have, the more eyeballs you have. The more eyeballs you have, the more money you're going to make. That's just as simple as that. All right. Some of the traffic methods include YouTube, Facebook ads, Udemy for solo traffic. Okay. Then Udemy is something that I'm getting into, and it proved pretty lucrative for me the last time I used it. So that was pretty cool. So I enjoyed that. The next thing. Income Shift Pro. What is Income Shift Pro? Income Shift Pro is the game changer, the holy grail for myEcon. This is myEcon's marketing system. Okay, it's the game changer, guys. It's a done for you plug and play system that includes capture pages, presentations, an autoresponder. And it does all the selling and telling for you. So you don't have to. You don't have to spend your time telling someone. If someone says, hey, what do? You don't have to spend time telling them over and over and over again. Your answer can simply say, you know what? I just want to present it to you exactly how it was presented to me. So I'm going to send you to my website. And then they can go and watch the presentation. Okay? Your follow-up is included. The emails, the text messages, they're all pre-made text messages and emails from seven-figure earners. So why wouldn't you use this? One thing that I love about this system is that it allows me to blast or broadcast, which means I can send a random message out anytime I want to my prospects. This is important, okay? This is important because on a night that we're having a meeting, or on the night that we're doing a training, or if I want to invite everyone to the Facebook group so they can see what everything's about, I'm able to do that by saying, hey, I want you to check this out. So come on over here and join me. And I can do this through a blast. Okay. So that makes everything easier. Real quick, let me show you the actual income shifting system. Okay, so the income shifting system, let me go back, right here. This is what it is, okay? And you see I have $5 in pending commission. They've actually paid me already $30, okay? They've paid me $30 already because let's see here. See, they've already paid me $30. And this is because the system is $25 per month. However, you get $5 of residual income. Okay, every month for everyone that you show the system to that decides to take advantage of it. You actually get to choose the capture pages that you're using, which makes this really, really cool. Okay, you have pages that include fields where you can choose to use, first name, last name, email, phone number is optional, that sort of thing. All of those things make a huge amount of difference. And you can choose which one of these capture pages you want to use. Also, you have an area where you can, view all your leads or go to a toolbox. This is where you do everything. This is where you track your campaign statistics, SMS blast, autoresponder, email, autoresponder, everything. Okay, guys, everything. It also has training here. on how to do all of this stuff, okay? And as for paid traffic, here you go. All of these paid traffic methods, okay? Everyone knows I love paid traffic methods because it gets you there fast. It gets you there fast. And then you also have an area here where you can promote another opportunity. So I'm using this to promote another opportunity that I have. But that opportunity, what it does is that pays out daily, so I'm able to do that and have a way for my potential clients or my potential partners to have, daily and residual income weekly. So it makes everything work together. Okay. But anyway. All right. So it's the done for you system, Income Shift Pro. It's the holy grail. You already see how much is including in there. But how much is all this? Okay. myEcon shifting membership, myEcon income shifting membership is only $47 to start and $35 monthly. Okay, residual income is available. You are able to build your teams just by sharing your opportunity. If you ever wanted an opportunity where you do not have to sell a single thing to make money, myEcon is your option. Just by adjusting your W-4, just by saving yourself some money in the cashback mall, just by saving yourself some money because you now know how to handle your money is worth the $35 per month. Because essentially the system is free. Essentially. Okay. I'm not saying its price is free. Don't get me wrong. I'm saying that you save more than $35 per month. So your system is free. Okay. ISP, the complete marketing system. This is $25 per month. Okay. $25 per month, $25 to start. All right. Keep in mind, I don't even have to pay for this system anymore. And the reason why I don't have to pay for it is because I have more than 5 people who signed up alongside me. Okay, so if you have 5 people in your downline or more, you don't have to pay. Of course, because 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. And that $5 you have left over that you saw was in my back office, that's the money that I have left over. So guys, pretty much this means that you get $5 per person that you share this opportunity with. So residual income is also available through Income Shift Pro. Okay. So that's how much this all is. All in, you're spending about $60 a month. $60 a month, guys, is nothing. All right. How much is your time worth? myEcon gives you the fast track to retirement while teaching you financial principles and strategies that are generational. ISP provides a duplicatable solution for complete automation and team building while earning a residual income on each active member of your team. Okay. Guys, so myEcon, this is what gives you your freedom. This is what gives you your financial freedom. This is what teaches you those principles that are going to make sure that you're not having to be broke forever or struggling forever. This is what makes the difference, okay? ISP, Income Shift Pro, provides a solution for your team. So you can blast out trainings, you can blast out messages to your team, you can, you can show your team how to use this where the only thing they're having to worry about is how much traffic they're able to send to it. I don't care if you're using a free Facebook method, using YouTube, or you're sending, Facebook ads to it, or if you're sending just, plain Udemy, if you're sending Udemy to it. Either way, just send traffic to it. That's all you have to worry about. So, as exclusives, you get full access to daily support and training where we are active in our smaller Facebook group. We're active because some people don't feel comfortable asking a lot of questions in the larger group, which I'm completely okay with that. That's why we have the group. Okay. We have a larger group that has training from multiple 7 to 8 figure earners, Also, my team has a team rotator, which gives you more sales opportunities. This is if you get the myEcon and the Income Shift Pro, because that's how I use my rotator. Also, you'll get a personal connect to my Facebook ads tech. So the guy who sets my Facebook ads up, who has my my systems were going crazy because I'm getting so much traffic to them. There are certain things that I believe in outsourcing, and I do believe that if you're not good at something, yes, you can take the time to get good at it, except for I believe in letting the pros do it. Okay, so he's a pro. The next thing you'll get is an exclusive Craigslist training to bring you hundreds of leads off of $5. All right, so very possible, hundreds of leads off of $5. And the last thing you get is a free vacation to one of our mini resorts, guys. This free vacation, the only thing you do is you redeem the voucher and you pay like $20 for taxes or something like that. So, I mean, guys, it's a vacation for $20. So, but either way, I appreciate you tuning in and I appreciate you watching thus far. I definitely hope to see you soon on the inside. I definitely hope that you become part of the team. But if you are not a part of the team yet and you still do have questions, go to partnerwithmonica.com or you can message me directly. So I look forward to working with you and I hope everyone has a great night. Take it easy.